So you've had a fire in your home, and there's a couple of things that you need to do right away. Obviously, the first thing is to make sure that that fire has been extinguished completely and it's not at risk of reigniting and continuing to burn your home, further damaging your house and putting you and your family in harm's way. The second thing you need to do is contact your insurance company and just let them know that you've had a fire in your home and that there's damage to your property and your contents. That's about all the information you need to give them right off the bat. Once you've done that, it's time to hire a professional restoration contractor. If you look at a lot of my videos, most of the time I'll give you advice and let you know how you can take care of a lot of different damages by yourself and kind of a do-it-yourself. When it comes to fire damage, I definitely would not recommend trying to clean this up and handling it on your own. There's a lot of detailed and sensitive cleanup things that must happen to make sure that your insurance covers all of the damage that happened to your home and your personal property in its entirety. And you don't want to do anything to jeopardize that.